How to make money with AI. Welcome to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, where the possibilities are as endless as your imagination. In this digital age, AI has become a powerful tool for innovation and profit. If you're curious about how to make money with AI, you're in the right place. Buckle up as we explore the exciting avenues that AI offers for financial success. Leveraging AI for business. Unlocking the potential of AI for business involves a multifaceted approach. Automation is a foundational pillar of AI integration, starting with the delegation of repetitive tasks to AI-driven systems. This can range from automating data entry and order processing to handling routine customer support inquiries. AI-powered chatbots play a pivotal role in this aspect, providing swift and accurate responses to customer queries round the clock, enhancing customer satisfaction and reducing response times to mere seconds. Moving beyond automation, recommendation systems are game changers, particularly for e-commerce businesses. These systems employ machine learning algorithms to analyze vast data sets, understanding customer behavior, preferences, and purchase history. This enables them to deliver highly personalized product recommendations, increasing the likelihood of sales. For example, if a customer expresses interest in a particular brand of shoes, the recommendation engine can suggest similar shoe models or complementary products such as socks or shoe care products. The result is a higher average order value, driving revenue growth. Develop AI-based products. Creating AI-based products is a venture that demands a comprehensive approach. For those venturing into the world of mobile apps, AI can be a differentiator. Imagine an app that employs machine learning to provide personalized recommendations for everything from news articles to restaurants. As users interact with the app, AI algorithms continuously refine their recommendations, ensuring content and suggestions align with individual preferences. This keeps users engaged in returning to the app regularly, potentially leading to premium subscription models or advertising revenue. In the realm of smart home devices, the possibilities are limitless. From AI-driven thermostats that adapt to users' temperature preferences to security systems that use facial recognition to grant or deny access, AI is reshaping the way we interact with our environments. For example, an AI-powered smart security system can not only alert homeowners to potential threats, but also learn to recognize authorized users, making the daily experience smoother and safer. Developing specialized software tools tailored to particular industries is another avenue. Take healthcare, for instance, where AI-driven image recognition software can revolutionize diagnostic accuracy. Such software can quickly and accurately analyze medical images, aiding doctors in identifying diseases and conditions. The time saved in diagnosis and the increased precision can lead to better patient outcomes and substantial financial savings for healthcare institutions. AI-based products offer diverse opportunities for revenue generation, from app sales and in-app purchases to subscription models and licensing agreements. The key is to identify market gaps and create innovative, user-centric AI products that cater to specific needs and preferences, thereby unlocking substantial financial potential. Data monetization. The world of data monetization is as complex as it is promising. It commences with the collection of diverse data sets from various sources, encompassing not only customer behavior, but also market trends and sensor data from IoT devices. The gathering process may require data engineering to ensure that the data is structured and accessible for analysis. Once the data is amassed, a vital next step is thorough cleaning and preparation, removing inconsistencies, duplicates, and irrelevant information. The heart of data monetization is data analysis. Machine learning models and statistical techniques are deployed to sift through the data, seeking patterns, trends, and actionable insights. For example, in the retail sector, data can be used to understand customer buying behavior, including what products are frequently purchased together, enabling the implementation of strategic product placement or targeted advertising campaigns. In financial services, data analysis can detect fraudulent activities and identify patterns associated with risky transactions, ultimately saving companies substantial amounts in losses. Monetizing data can take various forms. One option is to sell data sets directly to other companies seeking specific insights. Alternatively, licensing data for specific use cases, such as market research or advertising, can be a recurring revenue stream. Another approach is offering subscription services where businesses receive regular updates and access to continuously evolving insights. Successful data monetization is predicated on an understanding of the target market's needs and a commitment to delivering accurate, valuable insights. AI consultation and services. Venturing into the realm of AI consultation and services necessitates an extensive grasp of AI technologies and their practical applications. As an AI consultant, your role extends beyond advice. You become a critical strategic partner for businesses looking to harness the power of AI. This often begins with a detailed analysis of a company's operations, goals, and challenges. Understanding their unique needs allows you to develop tailored AI strategies, ensuring that AI technologies align with their objectives. The services you offer encompass a broad spectrum. Recommendations for AI tools and platforms form the foundation, taking into account factors such as scalability, integration complexity, and budget constraints. For instance, if a retail business aims to enhance customer experience, an AI consultant might recommend chatbot solutions that facilitate instant customer support. Implementation support is another crucial aspect. You work closely with businesses to ensure a seamless integration of AI systems into their existing infrastructure. This may entail customizing AI models, fine-tuning algorithms, and ensuring compatibility with other systems. For example, in the healthcare sector, implementing AI for medical image analysis may require meticulous integration with existing electronic health record (EHR) systems to streamline the diagnostic process. Furthermore, ongoing maintenance and support are indispensable. AI systems require regular updates, improvements, and troubleshooting. As an AI consultant, you play an ongoing role in ensuring that AI solutions continue to meet business objectives. This long-term partnership can lead to a consistent source of income and the satisfaction of contributing to the success of the businesses you serve. Your expertise in AI and the valuable insights you provide position you as an indispensable asset in the AI ecosystem. Content creation and AI writing. The synergy between AI and content creation is revolutionizing the digital landscape. AI-driven content generators use natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to create written content that is not only grammatically accurate but also engaging and informative. This technology is particularly appealing to businesses seeking to streamline their content production processes. By offering AI-generated content services, you can tap into a market eager to reduce the time and resources traditionally required for content creation. The applications of AI in content extend to a variety of formats, including blog posts, articles, marketing copy, and product descriptions. Moreover, AI can tailor content to specific niches and audiences, making it a versatile tool for various industries. Many businesses are open to outsourcing content creation to AI-driven platforms, creating a substantial opportunity for content creators. AI in finance. The financial sector is a hotbed for AI innovations, offering numerous opportunities for individuals and organizations to profit from AI-driven solutions. One of the most popular applications is algorithmic trading. AI-powered trading bots execute buy and sell orders at lightning speed based on predefined criteria, often leading to better trade execution and potential profits. Robo-advisors are another lucrative avenue in the financial industry. These AI-driven platforms provide personalized investment advice based on users' financial goals and risk tolerance. By leveraging AI algorithms to assess market conditions and manage investment portfolios, robo-advisors can offer a scalable, efficient, and cost-effective solution for investors. Additionally, AI finds extensive use in risk assessment, fraud detection, and credit scoring, making it an essential tool for financial institutions. AI for e-commerce. E-commerce's exponential growth is inseparable from the integration of AI technologies. Personalization is a critical aspect of the e-commerce landscape. AI-driven personalization engines analyze vast amounts of data, including user behavior, preferences, and purchase history, to provide individualized product recommendations. This not only drives higher sales, but also fosters customer loyalty, as shoppers are more likely to return to a platform that caters to their specific needs. Recommendation engines go beyond merely suggesting products. They can enhance the shopping experience by showcasing related items, upselling, or even cross-selling complementary products. For example, if a customer is purchasing a camera, a recommendation engine might suggest lenses, memory cards, or camera bags. The result is an increase in the average order value, ultimately contributing to higher revenues. AI chatbots are another critical asset in e-commerce. These virtual assistants provide instant customer support, answering queries, addressing concerns, and guiding shoppers through the purchase process. Their availability 24/7 ensures that customers receive assistance whenever they need it. Online courses and AI education. The demand for knowledge in the field of AI is growing exponentially. This is an excellent opportunity for those with expertise to monetize their skills. Developing and selling online courses or ebooks on AI topics is a lucrative way to educate others while generating income. Online learning platforms provide a convenient medium for distributing your educational content to a global audience. Your AI courses can cater to beginners looking to grasp the fundamentals, as well as professionals seeking advanced knowledge in specific AI domains. From machine learning and deep learning to natural language processing and computer vision, there's a broad spectrum of AI subfields to explore and teach. Offering certifications upon course completion can further enhance the value of your educational materials. Promotion and marketing are vital aspects of this venture. Leveraging social media, search engine optimization, and online advertising can help you reach a broader audience. AI research and development. AI research and development is at the cutting edge of technological advancement. To excel in this field, you need a strong understanding of AI fundamentals coupled with a creative approach to solving complex problems. Research often begins with identifying gaps in existing AI technologies and developing innovative solutions to fill those gaps. Innovation in AI can lead to breakthroughs in various industries. For example, developing more efficient machine learning algorithms can revolutionize data analysis, leading to better insights and decision-making. Innovations in natural language processing may enhance AI chatbots and virtual assistants, making them more conversational and helpful. Successful AI R&D often involves collaboration with other experts, such as data scientists, engineers, and domain specialists. You'll need access to significant computational resources and datasets to test and refine your AI models. It's important to stay updated with the latest advancements in AI, as well as to patent or protect your intellectual property when applicable. The opportunities for making money with AI are abundant and diverse, from automating business processes, creating AI-based products, and monetizing data to offering AI consultation, content generation, and education. There's a world of possibilities awaiting those willing to harness the power of artificial intelligence. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on AI and its remarkable potential. Thank you for embarking on this journey with us, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.